I may not have posted in a while. I genuinely have no idea. I've been afraid to check the channel. It is about week 6 of school. I've been living away from home for about 6 weeks. And I just thought I could take you guys with me for the week because I'm driving to class right now. I just spent the weekend with my parents, as I do every weekend. It's Monday. I have a class this morning, but we're taking a test, so it'll probably get done quick, and then I can just go walk over to the other campus where chapel is being held and read my book, which is going to be awesome. So honestly, I haven't really been filming just because my apartment is like, I guess you would call it a wing in a house. So it's kind of like, if I'm talking, they can hear me. If they're talking, I can hear them kind of deal. So it's just awkward for me to film and make videos. I think, I haven't looked at the schoolwork situation yet, but I think this week is going to be pretty chill. No big events or anything. Things are exciting. Yeah, today's gonna be really chill, literally, because the temperature is finally coming down for the fall, and I'm excited. So my weeks go by really fast, and I'm super excited to take you guys along, I guess. What's up, guys? So the test, everybody was there like 10 minutes after the class had ended. Nobody got out early because we were all stuck on that question. So hustled on over to chapel, got there a little late, and almost couldn't find a seat. So that was fun. I wish that I had like videos and things in class and in chapel that I could show you guys because it's such a cool experience. Like going to in-person college, having gone online for a year or whatever. And it's such a cool experience to go to chapel, even when it's so awkward like it was today. But I want to take a good long walk because it's been a while, and I feel like I have more energy today than I usually do. It's gonna be a really chill day because it's only Monday, so nothing is due as far as I know. We're just hanging out today, and what I did last week actually, I put on Halloween Town while I did my laundry, and it was such a vibe. It was so fun because I've been stuck in my TV shows and things, and a lot has been going on, like really bad stuff has been going on in the world, some of which you guys would be aware of, and some of which you guys, oh, that's a Grim Reaper. That looks so real. Oh my gosh, that's creepy. Some of which you guys aren't aware of because it's more personal. So I've been kind of distracting myself by watching a lot of, I started New Girl. I'm already on season 2 or 3. I still watch NCIS, had to take a break for a bit, but I still very much enjoy it. Once Upon a Time. So it's fun. I've been craving like the Halloween movies, but I just can't figure out like what do I want to watch. So I just like pick a classic and I just watch it. think I'm gonna paint my nails. I haven't painted them in like a few months. It's been maybe a year. It's been a long time since I painted my nails. But I don't know. I feel like painting them, so. These are the colors. I think I want to do like Halloween. Couple things. I'm just heading to class right now. It's 5:55. The class starts at 6, so obviously I'm perfectly on time. Also, I didn't notice until like the day after I painted them, but I wanted my nails to be Halloween colors, and they're low-key giving Life of a Showgirl colors, especially the orange ones. I don't know if you can see that, like the glitter. Which leads me to my next topic. The Life of a Showgirl comes out tonight at 9 p.m. and my class is from 6 to 9. So yeah, I'm just super excited about that. But that's what's going on today. It's Thursday. And I'm gonna go to class now. Good evening. We actually got out of class a little early. Thank God, because I don't know what is going on this week, but I've had such trouble concentrating. Normally I've got the weird kind of brain where I can like focus on something, and I just bring a paper and pencil to class and I'm like locked in for the next 3 hours and I'm like no problems. But this week I've just had so much trouble like staying focused. I was so burnt out when I got to class and confused, and I forgot my notebook. I brought the wrong notebook, which is not something I have ever done. So yeah, it's been a little tough today. It's 8:40. The new album comes out in 20 minutes. Well, I want to take a shower and I'm not hungry, but I have food that needs to be eaten before I leave for the weekend. I'm just grateful that I didn't have a headache today because I was severely fighting in my class yesterday night. I've been getting bit by a lot of mosquitoes, so I was a little afraid I had like Western Nile virus or like something. I have a class early morning tomorrow, and then chapel is actually going to be outside, which sucks because mosquitoes, like I said, have been eating me alive. My ankle has been itching nonstop for 2 days straight, and then I get to go home, which is awesome. I don't understand why they're making these new cars with these insanely bright headlights. Like, I already have a little bit of trouble seeing at night because I have a slight astigmatism in my eyes, but dude, these lights are like horrific. But I'm getting off on a tangent. I'm home now, so I'm gonna go take a shower, and then get ready to have a little showgirl evening. Okay, so I was just about to listen, but I just found this second album. It's called Track by Track. I think I'm gonna listen to this, which should be interesting. I think my favorite song is gonna be Eldest Daughter or Actually Romantic. I think it's gonna be really cute, but those are the two that I think I'm gonna like the most. track 6. I don't think I will ever be able to listen to that song. I hit a little too close now. I don't know. I think I am finally coming down with whatever gave me that headache on Wednesday. I was planning on going to chapel. Funny story. It's outside in like a grassy area today. It's supposed to be like your living spaces. And I was sitting in class praying it would rain so it could get canceled because 1, I feel really sick, and 2, I am a mosquito magnet. I get out of class and I look and it rained and I was like, whoa God, that's insane timing. Like that is crazy. So that was really cool, but it's still not canceled. But I'm skipping anyways. I'm just gonna drive home and I'm gonna try to leave like by noon or something. It's 10:30 right now, and I want to try to leave by like noon or something so I can get home earlier than usual. So, peace out. The ocean?
The thing sticking up out of the ocean. Wow.